Steam Whistle Brewing presents Retro Electro, a green-powered vintage hot rod. This custom-built, earth-friendly vehicle combines a 1958 pickup truck saved from the metal scrap heap, retrofitted with a high-efficiency AC motor powered by 100% green electricity from Bullfrog. Possibly the world's first wind-powered hot rod. Visit steamwhistle.ca to have any of our vintage vehicles be at your next event, and to enjoy a cold bottle of our delicious Pilsner. Walk in the front door of the Bar with No Name at 1651 Bloor Street West in Toronto, just east of Keele. To find out more about the Bar with No Name, visit thebarwithnoname.ca.